The Supreme Court has agreed to hear a plea by lawyers and journalist Shyam Meera Singh against the FIR filed against them by the Tripura police. Now, journalist Shyam Meera Singh as well as other activists face UAPA charges from Tripura police and have moved the Supreme Court today. They had tweeted and reported on the violence that took place in Tripura in October. They are now seeking the quashing of the FIRs registered against them. Over 100 had been, this case had been filed against over 100 people under the very stringent UAPA. Here's what Shyam Meera Singh had said on NDTV yesterday on our program.
आप इस बात से मतलब वारिड नहीं हैं, आप पे यूएपीए लगा दिया तब भी आपने अपना ट्वीट रखा हुआ है?
मुझे लगता है कि सर देखिए, अगर इस देश में लोकतंत्र है तो मुझे वरिड नहीं होना चाहिए। वरिड किसको होना चाहिए? उस आईपीएस अफसर को होना चाहिए जिसने निर्दोष लोगों पर, जिसने निर्दोष पत्रकारों पर, निर्दोष वकीलों पर यूएपीए लगाया, जिसने 15 साल के बच्चों पर यूएपीए लगाया।
Now, the Tripura police had booked lawyers, activists and journalists as well as several social media account holders under UAPA criminal conspiracy and forgery charges and served notices to the authorities of Twitter, Facebook and YouTube to freeze such accounts and furnish all particulars of the account holders, and they booked them for these social media posts claiming that it was fake news and they were spreading misinformation. Let's go across to Sukirti now for more. And Sukirti, this had caused a lot of outrage that journalists and lawyers who had actually gone on a fact-finding mission were booked under UAPA, and even the Editors Guild had condemned this. So now they've approached the Supreme Court and the Supreme Court has agreed to hear the plea.
Well, yes, Mr. Prashant Bhushan, who's the lawyer for the petitioners, he mentioned the case before the Chief Justice of India today and sought an early hearing of this petition. The Chief Justice initially asked them that why weren't they approaching the High Court first, to which Mr. Bhushan replied that they were, in their petition, they are also questioning the UAPA as an act, and that is why it's the Supreme Court that is needed to hear the case, and that too on an early basis, as the people against whom these FIRs have been filed face imminent arrest. So that's when the Chief Justice finally agreed to give a date for the hearing. The date is not clear yet. The Supreme Court will be figuring that out. But yes, the case will be heard by the Supreme Court. That much has already been agreed upon. Now, just to get the basics of this petition for our viewers, this plea has been filed by 2 Supreme Court lawyers as well as 1 journalist. The 2 lawyers are Mr. Ansar Indori and Mr. Mukesh. These 2 people are also connected with organizations such as People's Union of Civil Liberties and another human rights organization. These 2 lawyers were part of an independent fact-finding team that had gone to Tripura after these incidents of violence against Muslim citizens, and they were formulating that report. After that, the police in Tripura had filed a case against them. So, one, it's these 2 lawyers, part of a fact-finding team that visited Tripura, and the third petitioner in the case is a journalist called Mr. Shyam Meera Singh, who had put out a tweet saying Tripura is burning, and after he tweeted that out, the police booked him under UAPA. So these are the 3 petitioners. What they seek in their plea is that the FIR against them should be quashed. There should be a court-monitored probe into the incidents of violence that took place in Tripura, and also they want the court to declare certain sections of the UAPA Act as unconstitutional.